Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make After Effects like text on CAPCUT. So I'm using CAPCUT mobile version, Android version right now. So if you want to make a text like After Effects, you can do it on this app. So all you have to do right now is open new project, or you can choose one of your project here. This is, for example, serving. So all you have to do right now, just add text here, and then tap add text and type the text that you want. For example, serve a just use this serve. Sorry. So after that, you can tap this style here and try to use the glow. And then you can use this, the yellow one or the green one, it's no matter. And also you got the shadow here, try use the white one. And the glow, you can change the color also, try the white one. If you have the pro, it's very good. Just try the pro feature here and go to the animation and try to tap on out animation and scroll down, search the expand, this one, expand, tap it. So you can try to increase the second here, and then you can try to adjust the timing, make it same with the video here. Please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.